Good morning, students. Today we will solve 2-3 problems, small problems. See this problem. Pass necessary journal entries for issue of debentures for the following. First, Jain Limited issued 750 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%, redeemable at a premium of 5%. It means Jain Limited issued the debentures at 10% discount, means 10 rupees less than rupees 100, that is for 90 rupees, and redeemable at a premium of 5%, means at the time of redemption, that is repayment, they will pay back the amount adding 5 rupees premium into rupees 100, that is 105. Second, Sohan Limited issued 800 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per debenture, means adding rupees 20 into 100, they have issued debenture of rupees 100 at rupees 120 per debenture, redeemable at a premium of rupees 10 per debenture. At the time of repayment, they will pay 110 rupees after adding rupees 10 into the face value. Okay, so let's solve now. See this first problem now. I have passed the journal entries here. They told us that Jain Limited issued 750 12% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. At a discount of 10% means 100 rupees face value minus rupees 10, that is at rupees 90. And these debentures were redeemable at a premium of 5%. So first entry will be as usual of application money received on 750 debentures at rupees 90 each. So entry will be bank account debit 67,500, that is 750 into 90, to 12% debenture application and allotment account 67,500. Okay. Now the second entry of first transaction. These debentures were redeemable at a premium of 5%. It means they are redeemable at 105 rupees. So entry passed will be 12% debenture application and allotment account debit 67,500. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 7,500, that is 10% discount at the time of issue. And loss on issue of debentures account 3750, that is these debentures are repayable at 5% premium, that is we have to pay 5 rupees per debenture more to these debentures as premium at the time of repayment. Premium on redemption is 3750 and it will be lost to the firm. So loss on issue of debentures account debits 3750 to 12% debentures account 75,000 and to premium on redemption of debentures account 3750. Issue of 750 12% debentures, or we can write application money adjusted of 750 12% debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at rupees 90 each and redeemable at rupees 105. Okay, in this way we have to solve the first transaction of this problem. Now we will solve second transaction. See the second transaction. Sohan Limited issued 800 9% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per debenture. It means they are issuing debenture of rupees 100 at rupees 120 each, and they are redeemable at a premium of rupees 10 per debentures, means at rupees 110. Okay, so first entry will be of application money received. So entry will be bank account debit to 9% debentures application and allotment account, as all the amount is receivable at the time of application, we have to say application and allotment account. जेव्हा इन्स्टॉलमेंट्स असतात त्यावेळेला आपण नुसतं ॲप्लिकेशन अकाउंट असं म्हणतो. ओके, सो टू 9% डिबेंचर्स ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट. And narration will be being application money received on 809% debentures at rupees 120 each. As they are issuing these debentures at 20 rupees premium, they will get amount into bank 800 into 120, that is rupees 96,000. Okay, now the second entry about application money adjusted. The debentures are issued at premium and redeemable at premium. So entry will be 9% debentures application and allotment account debit 96,000. Okay, then as they are repayable at premium, loss on issue of debentures account should be debited. So loss on issue of debentures account debit, their loss will be of 10% premium. डिबेंचर्स प्रीमियमलाच इश्यू केलेले असल्यामुळे डिस्काउंटला इश्यू केलेले नसल्यामुळे फक्त पेमेंटच्या वेळेला जो प्रीमियम द्यायचा आहे तोच लॉस असणार आहे. सो ऑन 800 डिबेंचर्स 10 rupees premium, that is 8,000. So 8,000 will be the loss at the time of redemption. To 9% debentures account, the amount is 800 into 100, that is 80,000 original amount. Then to security premium reserve account, as they were issued at premium of 20%, that is 20 rupees into 800, so it will be 16,000. And to premium on redemption of debentures account, redemption payable is rupees 8,000. This 8,000 is loss on issue of debentures debited to loss on issue of debentures account. Okay, so issue of 800 9% debentures at premium and redeemable at premium. This much narration is sufficient. So we have passed 4 entries here. We will get 4 marks for this problem. Okay, so we have completed first problem. Next problem, pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following cases. असे प्रॉब्लेम्स खूप येतात एक्झामला 4 मार्क्सना किंवा 3 मार्क्सना. फर्स्ट, ₹30,000 12% debentures of ₹100 each issued at a discount of 5%, redeemable at par. ₹30,000. 30,000 is not the number of debentures. It is ₹30,000. And debentures face value is ₹100. So number of debentures will be 30,000 rupees divided by ₹100, that is 300. So meaning of this transaction is 300 12% debentures of ₹100 each issued at a discount of 5%, redeemable at par. Understood? ₹30,000. काही वेळेला 30,000 नुसतं दिलं असेल तर त्याचा अर्थ नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स दिलेत, पण रुपीज असेल तर ती अमाऊंट दिली आहे डिबेंचर्सची. 300 डिबेंचर्स इंटू 100 विल बी 30,000. अंडरस्टूड? सो 30,000 रुपीजचे डिबेंचर्स, 100 रुपयाला एक डिबेंचर आहे म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ डिबेंचर्स 300 होणार. 300 डिबेंचर्स वेर इशूड ॲट 5% डिस्काउंट अँड they were redeemable at par. Second, ₹60,000 12% debentures of ₹100 each issued at a discount of 5%, redeemable at ₹105, means at premium. Here again ₹60,000 is given, so number of debentures will be 60,000 divided by ₹100, that is 600 debentures. Understood? So let's solve now. Now the second problem. Okay. Second problem. Rupees 30,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a discount of 5%, redeemable at par. Means this is the condition when debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par. First entry will be of application money received. So first entry, bank account debit. These debentures were issued at 5% discount, means these debentures are issued at rupees 95. Okay, so amount will be 300 debentures. As I told you, debentures are 300 into rupees 95, that is rupees 28,500. So 28,500 to debenture application account. These debentures are 12%, so to 12% debenture application account, 28,500, and narration will be application money received on 300 12% debentures at rupees 95 each, as they were issued at discount. Okay, and the second entry, that is B in first condition, will be bank. Second entry will be application money adjusted. So debenture application and allotment. Here we have to write allotment. Sorry, I forgot. So 12% debentures application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit, $1,500 to 12% debentures account, 30,000. This will be the entry in case of first condition, and the narration will be debentures issued at discount and redeemable at premium. Okay, sorry, redeemable at par. Redeemable at par. This is the first condition, two entries. Now second condition. See the second condition. Rupees 60,000 12% debentures, means as we have discussed before, 600 debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a discount of 5%, means at rupees 95, and redeemable at rupees 105. Okay, so they are redeemable at premium. So this is the case of when debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at premium. Okay, so first entry will be of application money received, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account to 12% debentures and amount will be application money received on 600 12% debentures ॲट 5% डिस्काउंट असं लिहू शकतो किंवा ॲट ₹95 each. Okay, so 600 into 95, 600 into 95, we have to write here 57,000. We have received 57,000 into bank because the debentures were issued at 5%, that is 5 rupees premium, no, 5 rupees discount, that is less value. Now the entry B. This entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit. See here, 12% debenture application and allotment account debit, 57,000. Okay, now discount on issue of debentures account debit, discount is rupees 3,000 because 600 into 5 rupees discount will be 600 into 5, that is 3,000. Now loss on issue of debentures account, loss on issue of debentures account debit. This is the loss because these debentures are redeemable at 5 rupees premium, that is loss will be 3,000 at the time of redemption. To 12% debentures account, 12% debentures account, amount is 60,000, that is 600 into 100. To premium on redemption of debentures account, 3,000. Okay, so this will be the entry. Both discount on issue of debentures and loss on issue of debentures, both are capital losses, so they can be grouped together and debited to loss on issue of debentures account. So in that case we will pass the journal entry: 12% debenture application and allotment account debit 57,000, loss on issue of debentures account debit 6,000 total amount. To 12% debentures account 60,000, to premium on the redemption of debentures account 3,000. अशी एंट्री केली तरी चालेल. ओके, किंवा डिस्काउंट वेगळा दाखवा आणि रिडम्शनचा प्रीमियम हा लॉस आहे म्हणून तो लॉस वेगळा दाखवा. अंडरस्टूड? सो नॅरेशन विल बी डिबेंचर्स इशूड ॲट डिस्काउंट अँड redeemable at premium. This much is sufficient. So we have completed the second problem. Next problem: pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following cases. First, rupees 40,000, again rupees given, that is amount of debentures is given, number of debentures are not given. Rupees 40,000, 15% debentures of rupees 100 is issued at par and redeemable at 10% premium. Second, in first case, rupees 40,000 divided by face value rupees 100, so number of debentures will be 400. In second case, rupees 90,000 debentures of rupees 100 is issued at a discount of 5% and redeemable at premium of 10%. So in second case, number of debentures will be 90,000 divided by face value 100, so 900 debentures are issued at a discount and redeemable at premium. Okay, so let's solve now. Now this problem, see, two conditions are given again. Rupees 40,000, as we have discussed before, it means 400 debentures. 400, 15% debentures of rupees 100 is issued at par, means at rupees 100. Redeemable at 10% premium, means redeemable at 110 rupees. Okay, first entry will be of application and allotment money received. So entry will be as usual, bank account debit to 15% debentures application and allotment account. Application and allotment account. Application money received on 400 15% debentures at rupees, as these debentures are issued at par at rupees 100 each. Okay, so 400 into rupees 100, that is the amount will be rupees 40,000. Now the second entry will be application money adjusted and premium on redemption adjusted. So the entry will be debenture application and allotment account debit 15% debentures application and allotment account debit 40,000. Okay, now here, as these debentures are redeemable at premium, 10% premium, that is 110 rupees, so we will pay 10 rupees more to them. So this will be the loss to the firm. 400 debentures into rupees 10 means 4,000 will be the loss. So loss on issue of debentures account debit 4,000 to 15% debentures account 40,000 to premium on redemption of debentures account 4,000. This will be the entry. Debentures issued at par and redeemable at premium. This will be the narration. Now the second condition. First entry will be of application money received. Let's see the second condition now. Just like last problem, here they told us that these debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at premium, म्हणजे double loss आहे. See, rupees 90,000, 15% debentures of rupees 100 each means 900, 15% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a discount of 5% means at rupees 95. They were redeemable at a premium of 10%, that is they are redeemable at 110 rupees. So as these debentures were issued at discount, the discount is capital loss, as well as premium payable at the time of redemption is also capital loss. First entry will be of application money received. So bank account debit to 15% debentures application and allotment account amount. Narration. Application money received on 900 debentures at rupees, as they were issued at 5% discount at rupees 95 each. Okay, So the amount will be 85,500. Now the second entry. Second entry will be 15% debenture application and allotment account debit. $85,500. Now discount on issue of debentures account debit. Discount given is rupees 5 per debenture and number of debentures is rupees 900 are 900 debentures. So 900 debentures into rupees 5, that is rupees 4,500. Okay. Now loss on issue of debentures account debit. Here premium payable at the time of redemption will be debited to loss on issue of debentures account because it is a capital loss. For 900 debentures into premium payable rupees 10, so amount will be 9,000. To 15% debentures account, $90,000. To premium on redemption of debentures account, 9,000. This will be the entry. As I told you before, these both are capital losses, discount and premium payable at the time of redemption. So we can group them together, add them, and we can debit total amount 9,000 plus 4,500, that is 13,500 to loss on issue of debentures account. ओके, मी वेगवेगळे करून दाखवले तुम्हाला कळण्यासाठी. 900 debentures issued at discount and redeemable at premium. Issuing debentures at discount and redeemable at premium is always loss to the firm because while taking money from the debenture holder, they are taking 5 rupees less, and at the time of repayment they are paying them 10 rupees more. So this discount and at the time of redemption, premium at the time of redemption, both are capital losses to the company. Okay. And now today's last problem. Pass necessary journal entries for the issue of debentures in the following cases. Rupees 40,000 15% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a discount of 10%, redeemable at par. So number of debentures will be 400 here. Second, rupees 80,000 15% debentures of rupees 100 each issued at a premium of 10%, redeemable at a premium of 10%. So here number of debentures are 800. Understood? So let's solve. And today's last problem now. Condition first entry. ओके, मी एकदम 4 प्रॉब्लेम्स घेतले तुम्हाला नीट ह्या कंडिशन समजून यावं म्हणून. सी द प्रॉब्लेम. रुपीज 40,000 15% डिबेंचर ऑफ रुपीज 100 each means 400 15% debentures of 100 each issued at 10% discount and redeemable at par. Okay, so these debentures are issued at discount and redeemable at par. First entry of this first condition will be application and allotment money received. So bank account debit, to 15% debentures application and allotment account. Application money received on 400 debentures, 400 debentures at rupees. See, these debentures are issued at 10% discount, means 10 rupees less. So at rupees 90 each. Okay. So amount will be 36,000. That is 400 into rupees 90. Now the next entry will be debenture, 15% debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to 15% debentures account. As they are redeemable at par, this is the simple entry we have to pass. So 15% debentures application and allotment account debit ,15% debenture application and allotment account debit 36,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit 10 rupees discount per debentures means 400 into 10. Okay, so it will be 4,000. To 15% debentures account, ,40,000. Application money transferred to debentures account. This will be the narration. Now second condition, first entry. See the second condition. 80,000 rupees, 80,000, 15% debentures of rupees 100 each, means 800 debentures of rupees 100 each, issued at a premium of 10% and redeemable at a premium of 10%. Okay, so first entry will be of application money received, bank account debit, to 15% debentures application and allotment account, application money received on 800 15% debentures at rupees. See here, they told us that these debentures were issued at 10% premium. 10% premium means 10 rupees on 100. That is rupees 110. Okay. So 110 rupees 110 each. Application money received on 800 15% debentures at rupees 110 each. So amount will be 800 into 110. So that is 88,000. Now making payment at 10% premium. So payment made at the time of redemption as premium will be lost to the firm. So the entry will be 15% debentures application and allotment account debit 88,000. Okay, then loss on issue of debentures account debit. This will be the premium payable at the time of redemption, which is 10%. That is again per debenture rupees 10. So 800 into 10, that is 8,000. To 15% debentures account, 80,000, that is 800 into 100, to security premium reserve account. This is the security premium at the time of issue. They will receive security premium at rupees 10 per debenture. So 800 into 10, that is rupees 8,000, to premium on redemption of debentures account. Again at the time of repayment premium is rupees 10, so 800 into 10 again, that is 8,000. And at the time of making repayment they have to pay the premium of rupees 8,000, which is debited to loss on issue of debentures account because it is loss to the firm. तुम्ही इश्यू ऑफ 800 डिबेंचर्स ॲट प्रीमियम रिडीमेबल ॲट प्रीमियम असंही लिहू शकता, किंवा डिटेलमध्ये ॲप्लिकेशन मनी ट्रान्सफर टू 15% debentures account and premium on redemption of debentures recorded असंही नॅरेशन लिहू शकता. ओके. आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये मी साध्या प्रकारे नॅरेशन लिहायला शिकवलं आहे, इथे मी आत्ता असं लिहायला शिकवलं आहे. तुम्ही कोणतंही तुम्हाला जे सोपं वाटेल ते नॅरेशन लिहू शकता. इन दिस वे, इन दिस टुडे वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड with the help of 4 different problems various conditions of issue and redemption of debentures. Okay, that's all.